Welcome to Eventifai.com, the all-in-one event planning platform. In this video, you'll learn how to create premium wedding invitations and invite your guests for an unforgettable celebration. First, go to Eventifai.com, click on Invitations. Then, choose the type of event you're celebrating. For this demo, we'll select Wedding Invitations. Here, you can browse different categories such as Wedding, Save the Date, Bridal Shower, and Thank You, each with beautiful premium designs. Let's create a wedding invitation. To make it easier, use the filter option. For example, select Greenery and choose Premium Invitations. Now, pick a design you like. Hover over it and click Customize. It's time to personalize your invitation. Enter the couple's names. Add the wedding date and time, and event location. You can also set a specific RSVP number and any additional host information. To continue, you'll need to sign in. If you don't have an account, it's quick to create one, or you can sign in with your Google account. With premium invitations, you can also add a background and even animations to your design. When you're ready, click Preview to review your invitation. If everything looks good, click Save and Continue. Next, add your guest information. You can type each guest manually, or, if you have many guests, import them using a CSV file. When you're ready, click Next to go to Registry. Enter the registry name. Provide the host's shipping address, where the gifts should be delivered. You will then be redirected to the registry shop. Browse the available gift items and select the ones the celebrants would like. Click Add to Registry to include the items in the list. To continue working on the invitation, click Back to Invitation. To review the items, select View Registry to see a summary of all added gifts. Can't find a specific item in the registry shop? Click Add Custom, then enter the item name and its URL. You can also link an existing registry from another retailer. Simply enter the retailer's name and the registry URL. Finally, click Review and Send to see a summary of your invitation. If all the details are correct, click Complete and Send. Click Send to Guest to send the invite to your guest. After sending, you can track who's attending by selecting Track RSVP. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent your premium wedding invitation with Eventifai.